Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to DMCI Homes here in the Atherton. So, short background lang. About 3-4 years ago, me and my wife were, before Jania came out, we were really looking for a place here in Metro Manila. Because as you know, we are really based in Singapore. And then every time we go here in the Philippines, we need to travel 3 or 4 hours just to go to Lucena, yung province ko. So basically, niisip namin kapag darating kami from Singapore, mas okay na meron kaming masistayan muna sa Manila and then mag-ikot-ikot muna dito sa Makati, sa Alabang, or sa MOA para at least makapag-ikot-ikot man lang dito. And then we decided na if there's a chance, we would be looking for a condo. Here comes 2022 when we saw Mike na nagsisell siya ng mga condos, especially for DMCI Homes. So si Mike was my schoolmate before in Don Bosco, and then we realized na, uy, ang ganda-ganda ng concept ng DMCI with their patios, with the resort living and everything. So we asked, first namin inas sa kanya was the Mulberry Place in Taguig. But then nagkataon na he told us na meron pa silang isang property which is the Atherton nga here in Sukat, Parañaque. Everything went well knowing na pandemic siya, kababalik, kaka-open lang ng lahat. Umuwi lang din kami because yung daughter ko was just 2 months noon. So all the processes went well. And fast forward to 2024, nung ma-turn over sa amin yung condo, again, nandyan na naman si Mike to help us with the turnover. And even during the process, isang tawag lang kay Mike, sobrang andyan agad siya to help you. May mga concerns kami with customer care, may concerns kami with the loan and everything. Nandyan lagi si Mike to help us. So now, if you can see, we are here in our condo in the Atherton, enjoying the place, and all because of Mike's help. And just to tell everyone, kumuha pa ulit kami ng isang unit, this time sa Sage. And of course, sino pa ba mag-aasikaso ng lahat ng yon? Again, si Mike na naman. So we are looking forward to 2028 when the unit is gonna be turned over to us. And again, shout out to Mike Bernales. Bro, sobrang salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo. We are currently enjoying the place, and for sure, marami ka pang matutulungan ibang tao. Salamat!